Good day to everybody. Today I am going to discuss about uh, the topic plaque assay. Plaque assay. Plaque assay means the how to measure the any bacteriophage or virus concentration in a sample. This is the main topic of discussion. Today's main topic of discussion. So plaque plaque assay. In my last few videos, I discussed about the how the bacteriophage can affect the can kill the bacterial cell, and how this will create the cause the economical loss and the environmental hazards. I already discussed these things elaborately in my last few videos. Now today I am discussing uh, how you can, if you suspect that the some starter culture has been attacked by some bacteriophage or virus, so how you can assure or how you can confirm that the bacteriophage is in the sample, and the count of bacteriophage also you can count, you can also measure. So this is the method of the plaque assay, and this is the plaque assay is the method to bacteriophage titer or the concentration of any bacteriophage in a sample. Say that you are trying to produce some fermented milk product, like say that buttermilk. Now it will be expected to give the acidity of 0.9% at 40 degrees centigrade within 8 hours, but you have seen that the acidity only reach after 8 hours, it will reach only to 0.5% or 0.4%. Then there will be no further growth of acidity. So you suspect that this starter culture in the vat where the incubation has been done, there some bacteriophage has attacked the starter culture. Some strain of starter culture, not completely whole strain of the starter culture will be attacked by the bacteriophage or virus. Some strain can be attacked by the bacteriophage or virus. Now, how can you measure it? The unit of this measurement of bacteriophage is the PFU. PFU per ml means the plaque forming unit per ml. Plaque means the zone of clearance. Zone of clearance, it is called plaque, and plaque forming unit, it is like that CFU, colony forming unit per ml in case of bacterial count or any yeast and mold count. We are generally the unit is using CFU, and in case of bacteriophage the unit will be PFU, means plaque forming unit per ml. Now how the assay can be done, I will discuss it. Say that in your vat the bacteriophage has attacked the starter culture in your vat, and you have not achieved or got the acidity desired, the percentage of acidity or amount of acidity as required. So now what we can confirm this, the bacteriophage actually attacked this starter culture. Now we can do this plaque forming plague assay. By plague assay we can do it, and it is a very simple method. It is a plating method, like microbiological plating method. And how it will be done, I will show you. Now say that in the vat the 1 ml sample, 1 ml sample in the vat can be taken as a stock solution of bacteriophage, where the bacteriophage will be suspected to be present in the sample. So 1 ml of stock, 1 ml of stock sample of bacteriophage you will take. You can take it, bacteriophage. Now, what will you do, bacteriophage or virus? Now, this 1 ml sample, you have to, it will be expected that some bacteriophage will be there, and along with some starter culture will be also present, bacteria also present in the sample. So, we have to first make the sample by concentrate it by centrifugation or filtration. We have to we can concentrate it, otherwise it will be okay, but we have to kill the bacteria or starter culture present in the sample by using chloroform. By applying chloroform, the bacteria or starter culture present in the stock solution of the bacteriophage will be killed. Now, from this stock solution, you have to make the serial dilution. Serial dilution. Uh, Serial dilution of the bacteriophage solution from it is a test tube from 10 to the power minus 1, 10 to the power minus 2, 10 to the power minus 3, 10 to the power minus 4, 10 to the power minus 5, 10 to the power minus 6, 10 to the power minus 9, like that. You have to make the serial dilution of the stock sample of bacteriophage, and here only 900 microliter of trypton broth can be taken here. The trypton in each test tube we have to take 900 microliter of trypton broth. Now we add on 100 microliter. This is microliter. 100 microliter of 100 microliter of this stock solution of the bacteriophage we have to take in the test tube, first tube. Then it will make the first dilution. From first it will be mixed. The content of the first dilution will be mixed by vortexing, and then we have to take the same 100 microliter in the next dilution blank trypton broth. It is a sterilized broth, trypton broth, and gradually we can make the up to 10 to the power 9 dilution. We can make 10 to the power minus 9 dilution. We can make this dilution like that. So it is a common method of plating method for bacterial count in yeast and mold count. So in this case we are same in the same way we are making the dilution blanks of bacteriophage. First thing is that now you have to prepare the solid agar, trypton agar or trypticos soy agar in a petri plates, like that. You have to pour the melted agar here and make the solid agar by cooling it, and you can make the solid blank trypticos soy agar plate like that, and you can mark it like 10 to the power minus 5, 10 to the power minus 6. You can mark this plate like that, 10 to the power 7, 10 to the power 8, like that. Now this dilution bag has been prepared in the sterilized trypton broth. Now you have also made the sterilized agar, solidifying it by blank plate of the trypticos soy broth, soy agar or trypton agar. Now what will you do? We can now the your actual culture, which was now supposed to be not attacked by the bacteriophage fresh culture, you have to take 100 microliter of the fresh culture, which are going to be attacked in the vat. It is suspected that, but it is a fresh culture you have to take which was not attacked by the bacteriophage. So say this amount of 100 microliter of 100 microliter of this culture, fresh culture, you have to take in a test tube poured with 2 ml of trypton agar. 2 ml of trypton agar in the 10 to the power 5 minus 5, 10 to the power minus 6, 10 to the power minus mark with 10 to the power minus 7, 10 to the power minus 8, 10 to the power minus 9 dilution. Now you have to take the fresh culture which is supposed to be not attacked by the bacteriophage, fresh culture in the soft trypton agar. This is the poured with the soft trypton agar. It is the semi-liquid form, and generally 0.09% agar is added here, like 0.9% agar is added here. Means 9 gram agar in 1000 ml of 1000 ml of solution of the medium. So 0.9% agar, soft agar will be prepared like that, and this will be placed in the water bath of 50 degrees centigrade. This will be totally placed in the water bath with 50 degrees centigrade temperature. Now you add the culture, this 100 microliter fresh culture in this respective broth marked with 10 to the power minus 5, 10 to the power minus 6, 10 to the power minus 7, 10 to the power minus 8, 10 to the power minus 9. And now each test tube with soft agar, you pour the 100 microliter of fresh culture in this test tube. Now what you will do, when it was placed in the 50 degrees centigrade in water bath, now you take this dilution, serial dilution of the bacteriophage stock solution, like from here you can take it 10 to the power 5 minus 10 to the power 100 microliter of the bacteriophage stock solution you also take here. Like 10 to the power 6 will be taken in the 10 to the power, in the respective soft agar you have to take the serial dilution of the 100 microliter of this solution, and stay for 10 minutes. Why it stay for 10 minutes? Because whatever the phage, bacteriophage is present here, it can be attached with the starter culture for their lytic cycle. So this time will be given for the virus bacteriophage for 10 minutes. Now you pour this 2 ml of soft agar in the solidified plate of agar, which was already marked with 10 to the power minus 5, 10 to the power minus 6, 10 to the power minus 7, like that, and you have to pour the soft agar in this respective solid agar base plate, and it will be placed in undisturbed way to solidify the soft agar on this agar plate base. When it will be solidified, the soft agar will be solidified, then it will be incubated at 37 degrees centigrade for 24 hours for the growth of the starter culture. Now what you will see in this plates after the incubation of the culture in the plates, there will be due to the soft agar, there will be some lawn will be produced. Lawn will be produced in the plates. Lawn, these solid plates after 24 hours of incubation, lawns will be present. Lawns will be present like that. Some fine lawns will be produced by the starter culture or bacteria. Now here you can see if the bacteriophage will be attacked by the the bacteria or starter culture will be attacked by the bacteriophage present in the sample, then what will be there? There will be some like that, like that. This will be the plaque. This will called plaque. This is the clear zone. In the lawn of the bacterial lawn, there will be some clear zone where the bacteria will be attacked by the bacteriophage by lytic cycle. But sometimes this clear zone sometimes will be very clear, no problem of that. But sometimes this clear zone will be some opaque portion will be seen in the clear zone because of the some bacteria will become resistant to the bacteriophage, and by the induction of lysogenic cycle by the prophage in their gene. You know that lysogenic cycle, I have already discussed it in the previous video. So lysogenic cycle, they are becoming resistant to the this of phage. So some growth will be there. So there will be some, the clear zone will be not exactly very clear. It is some cloudy type of, because they are becoming resistant to the bacteriophage. So you can now you can count, say that this is the 10 to the power minus 5. This is the 10 to the power 5 minus 5 plate. 10 to the power minus 5 plate where the where the bacteriophage dilution 10 to the power 5 minus 5 is taken in the soft agar. Now what happened? You count it by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 plaques will be there. You count it by 8 plaques will be there. Now what will be the plaque forming unit per ml? So for the formula of the plaque forming unit is the PFU, plaque forming unit PFU per ml is the is equal to number of plaques D into V. D means the dilution taken. D is the dilution taken, and V is the volume of bacteriophage stock solution. Volume of bacteriophage stock solution taken in the plate. Bacteriophage stock solution taken in the plate, solid plate. Now, if the plate count is 8, then the PFU will be like that. If it is 8, then the PFU will be PFU will be 8, number of plaques 8. Dilution is the 10 to the power minus 5 taken, and the quantity of bacteria stock solution will be taken in this plate is 10 to the power minus 1, means 100 microliter. You can remember it. We are taking 10 to the power minus 1 dilution. So 10 to the power minus 1 volume means 100 microliter volume of stock solution of the dilution blank of the bacteriophage has been taken. So this formula will be like that, and the PFU per ml, this is PFU per ml, will be like 8 into 10 to the power 6 per PFU per ml. So this is the measurement of the bacteriophage present in the sample, and whether it is present, we can also determine by this simple method, plaque assay. By this plaque assay, so we can determine confirm this, the bacteriophage attack has been done. We can take the necessary steps for proper cleaning. we can change the strain also, starter culture strain also, and proper killing is the most important thing, by per acetic acid at 200 ppm. I have already discussed it. And the chlorination can be done at concentration of 600 ppm. So in this way we can determine whether the starter culture is attacked by the bacteriophage, and what is the actual count of the bacteriophage in the sample, we can also determine by this simple method of plaque assay. So it is very simple method, you can apply in industry also to determine it. So this is for today, this is enough for today, we will meet again.